Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make a mixed salad quick and easy. First, gather your fresh greens like romaine or spinach and any vegetables you love such as cucumbers, bell peppers, and cherry tomatoes. Don't forget your favorite dressing. Next, wash and thoroughly dry all your produce. This step is crucial for a crisp salad. Finally, get a large mixing bowl and a cutting board ready. Now it's time to chop your vegetables. Cut larger items like bell peppers or cucumbers into bite-sized pieces. This makes the salad easier to eat and ensures every forkful is delicious. Once everything is chopped, add all your prepared ingredients into your large mixing bowl. Feel free to add some protein, such as grilled chicken, hard-boiled eggs, or chickpeas for a more substantial meal. With all your ingredients in the bowl, it's time for the dressing. Drizzle your preferred dressing over the salad. Remember, you can always add more, but you can't take it away, so start with a moderate amount. Gently toss the salad using tongs or 2 large spoons until all the ingredients are evenly coated. Give it a quick taste and adjust the seasoning or add a little more dressing if needed. Finally, customize your salad with some delicious toppings. Consider adding crunchy elements like toasted nuts, seeds, or croutons for extra texture. Don't be afraid to experiment with different vegetable combinations and dressings to keep things exciting. For the best flavor and freshness, serve your mixed salad immediately. Enjoy your quick, easy, and healthy meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.